Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to set up PayPal payment gateway in your WooCommerce. So it's pretty simple. So go to your WooCommerce settings, payments, and then manage. You want to manage your PayPal Express right here, and then you want to go to the plugin navigation. So plugins, install plugins, payment gateway plugin for Way, PayPal, WooCommerce, and settings. From settings, you want to choose the PayPal payment method. So here in payments, you want to enable this and smart button in payment button, and the payment methods are going to be like this. So it's going to be really simple for the steps to set it up. Enable the payment for the gateway with the smart button, and put the PayPal client ID and secret credentials. Customize smart buttons and save the settings. But if you want it to be an express button, you can enable the payment for PayPal gateway and express button only, and input the PayPal API credentials and save the settings. So there's going to be two types only. From there, the PayPal smart button will are rendered using the PayPal API, and it will be customized using the smart buttons. So this will not support subscriptions, of course, and it will override the existing customizations done for the express button. So once you've done that, you want to enable the PayPal gateway right here and smart button if you're gonna do that. And it's just that simple for the PayPal smart button to be set up right here. And now you have a set up PayPal payment gateway for your WooCommerce store. So it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.